Happy 4th of July. Oh. Oh. We're watching fireworks today. Oh, that was pretty. Oh, that was pretty. At least I got it on recording. Whoa.
Oh, come out the street with cars.
I'm having fun walking with you, Mom.
Every day this needs to happen. Uh-oh, watch out.
That was a bush, you guys.
Put a spark in there.
That's okay. We're getting exercise, so it shouldn't matter.
Hold on, because as soon as we turn that way, they're going to start popping that way.
Whoa, that one was... There's just people who do this. My family and I do this every year.
Okay, stand behind. It's a big bush.
There's like a big bush. So it's fine. Whoa. It's really big. Oh.
That's a pretty one.
I like to get the fireworks on recording every year. I did it last year. I still have the one with Papa on. Yeah. So that's okay. I record the fireworks every year. It's like the fireworks show. I mean, I know I shouldn't, but like, I should because I like to have memories. So even if I did delete them, it'll go to Google Photos. Whoa. Oh, Mommy, oh, they are right there. Never mind, they are right here. Do you know if they're going to do another one right there?
No, that's how we're walking. I don't know these people.
Oh. Never mind. See, as soon as we walk away.
Come over here.
Wow. Oh. Do they still shoot gunshots?
Yep. Let's walk down a little bit more. So you gotta be very careful. I got Mama Willie's dad. Got killed.
On the 4th of July?
Yep. At Mama Daniel's house, which is right around the corner.
Oh, no. When is the next family hangout?
I don't know.
Can we do one before I go back to school? We go out to dinner?
I have to call them and see what they got going on. I know she's out of town right now. I'm Mama Willie. I have to go to her funeral.
Yeah, I was just hoping maybe before I go back to school, we can just like go out to dinner and have a family dinner. So what's the plan for tomorrow, Mom? What's the plan for tomorrow?
What plan do you want to do for tomorrow?
I don't know. I just want something to do.
Okay. We'll do something.
I'll go to the store with you.
What?
Well, I want to get the fire.
Oh, because you want something.
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually. That was beautiful.
Wow.
Well, I actually need to figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch.
That too, for all next week.
And then camp's coming up on that Friday.
We're standing in their yard. Well, we're walking, but
My friend went to a barbecue.
yeah. I don't know anybody who's barbecuing. Or we would have went. I don't know anybody who's at a barbecue.
Yeah, everybody's watching the fireworks. Henry's watching fireworks too.
What people do on 4th of July.
Whoa. And you guys, when we get back home, I'm gonna eat my mom's watermelon.
Psych, nope.
She says no, but you know, my mom is just this person where she says no all the time, but then she says yes. See, I know when my mom says no, it means yes. So I'm having her watermelon, right, Mom?
No.
See, that means yes. Oh, I thought that was a firework. Bro, we should have went to Disney. I just like fireworks. If I wanted to see fireworks, I would have went to Disney. But hey. Wait, is this our way back home or we're walking more streets?
We're walking back toward home.
Oh.
Step up.
So I'm guessing, is that all the fireworks?
Just random people like you and I be lying or like, I don't know.
I mean, I guess we could just stay outside and listen to the bang. I was hoping to see some pretty colors, but you know, it's like, oh, wait.
You did see pretty
Wait,
colors.
they're doing it right here.
Pink, it's blue, it's gold. That one is white. Wow, there's a bunch of them back there. But by the time we get all the way back there, it'll be over. across the street.
I like the one that they did up there, though.
Green.
Okay, if they're coming from this way, then I'll face this way.
They're coming from everywhere, Brianna. It's a neighborhood. People are standing in their yard shooting fireworks.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Mom? Oh. The sky is just lit tonight. No way.
Standing behind a tree again, Brianna. Okay, right there. Pretty one.
They're all pretty colors. Whoa. Where? Up there?
Across the street. That looks pretty. Blue and gold. But you gotta stop moving. If you're recording this for someone, Brianna, they can't see it if you're constantly going like that. You have to sit still.
Am I getting it? Am I getting an angle? So now they want to do them over here. That's cool. And I got my win. To see fireworks. Whoa! That was a nice show. They're gonna do it, or I know you don't know that, but does it look like they're gonna do it again? Can you see?
Just wait. Just wait a few minutes.
Whoa! Here, I should take this. Whoa! And they're over there.
Yep. Green and red and white and green and red and white.
They're kind of weak, but I can see them. Should we go over there?
I think they're done. He's backing out of his driveway. But we can keep walking down some more if you want.
Oh, they're done over here?
Yeah, it appears that way, Brianna. Again, these are just regular people.
I know.
I don't know.
I wonder, people didn't do fireworks, so they automatically... Whoa! They automatically just go off anyway?
No, you have to light it. You have to put fire, light, put a match to the fire to make it explode. So it's called a firecracker.
Whoa. Hello, cars. Yeah. Hello, cars. wait a few more minutes, and if they don't do any more, we can keep walking. Whoa. You want to keep walking, Mom? Oh, we gotta check on the dogs. I'll be nice. To light a firework, you just need a match and a firework.
Well, you're a firecracker. So
Are they square shaped?
No. It depends on how big. You have some of them that are like weak and other ones that are like boom.
Yeah.
Depends on what's in the firecracker. But you have to know what you're doing because you're putting fire to it to make it go off into these pretty colors.
So I'm sure you put it on the ground, right?
I don't know. I've never lit firecrackers or had any interest to do that. I just look at them.
We should look it up, Mommy, and if we can find a safe way, we should do it. Whoa. Oh, they're doing some right there. For a few more minutes, and after that, we're gonna go inside, y'all.
Let's see. Come over here.
Is this our way back home? Oh.
Y'all got firecrackers left? Y'all got firecrackers left? Y'all still doing firecrackers?
We got a couple left.
You got some left? Uh-oh.
The little one.
Yeah, okay, I got a favor. I'm looking for an adult. Make it, give me a dog. Okay,
Yeah.
it's dark. She's vision impaired. Can she just touch one? I'm trying to explain to her, like, it's inside of a
box.
Yeah, well, just to see that. Okay, so look, it's like it's in there.
And it's
And
a
then
stem,
when you light this part, that's what's making them go off in the air.
This part.
Right. That's what you put the fire to and make it do all the stuff it's doing in the sky.
So do you just hold it up to the air when you light
No,
it?
you let it go.
Well, you can put it on the ground and
Oh
like.
yeah, you put it on the ground. You could like hurt yourself. That's why you gotta be careful with these.
Oh, and you just put it on the ground and
And yeah, and it goes up and make all these pretty colors.
that's pretty cool.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Bye. Have a nice night.
All right, let's come over here outdoors.
Oh, I know what a firework is now.
Yeah. There's one behind you. Okay. See?
So if they put it on the ground, then I'm sure you can do it, right?
Yes, but it's very dangerous. So I've just never cared to do anything like that. I just rather watch them.
What about those things that you throw on the ground? What are those called?
Those are little poppets. It's called a poppet. Oh look, she's about to do one. She just put it on the ground and she lit it. See how we just did it on the ground?
Oh, that's cool.
So it just depends on what they put in them. Some of them are big and other ones are. See, it's that one and there's one way down there. Fire in the room. They're
Uh-oh.
about to put it out. Yeah, he's putting it out. It caught on fire. Firecrackers are very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
Well, you learn something new every day.
Yeah.
Okay. Are the poppet ones, do they light up or no?
No, you just throw them at the ground and they pop. It's like a small little pop.
So it's kind of like a firecracker.
Well, it is a firecracker, but it's not as dangerous. Still can be dangerous, but not as dangerous as these big firecrackers.
How can it still be dangerous if you're not?
Well, if you throw it in someone's eye or at their skin, it can burn them. Firecracker. Anything dealing with fire, you have to be careful. So I personally never care to light no firecracker. I just want to look at them and that's it.
Yeah, it makes sense. Whoa! Oh, they're doing them again over here. Hold up. Okay.
Okay, I'm over here.
Whoa. It's like every time we walk away, it comes back.
Well, they're not. They're just doing them, Brianna. They're not looking for an audience. They're in their yard, just like we were talking about. Just randomly doing their firecrackers.
I bet our dogs are scared.
Yeah, dogs don't like stuff like
Well, Blue is scared, right?
firecrackers.
So you're still gonna cut that watermelon, right, Mom?
No.
Well, Mommy, you should be proud of me that I didn't eat all the spaghetti.
You did great. And you're outside walking. Now if we could just do this every day.
Whoa! Mm. Wait.
Next week.
Yeah, I thought I did see them, but they're okay.
Yeah, so
Well, we're going.
you have different size firecrackers.
Well, we're going home to go check
All of
on
them
our
are
dogs.
Some of them are going to be big and explosive, and the other ones are going to be light like that.
Well, today we just saw fireworks. I can tell you, Father's Day was just so different this year, Mom.
Yeah.
I mean, we went to Golden Crow, even though Papa wasn't there, but we still went. But it was still just very different.
Yeah. So pop out.
Oh, wow. Oops, sorry. Well, I'm gonna get some water when we get home.
Yeah, you're doing something you never do.
Blah, 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 blah. Why not exercise a little bit before I got on the phone, Mom, when you left?
I do it every day at a minimum of 30 minutes. You can go longer, but that's the minimum. You gotta get your heart pumping every day. Some days, every day. Trees in the way you can't see those. The trees,
We're almost back home, though, right?
we finally reached home now.
No, I was just asking, are we almost back home?
This is you doing every day.
The dogs, I'm worried about my babies.
They'll be fine.
No, they won't, Mommy. They don't like it. My children do not like the cold. And AJ and Blue need me.
Cars coming home. Step up here on the sidewalk. Cars are coming to the road.
I'm not a photographer, but I got some of them.
Got a lot of them. There's an alligator.
Is that a frog?
One is two dogs.
Oh.
Bring Blue and stay on the trail. Walking my baby on this trail.
You're a baby?
Yes.
You're a baby?
Nothing for the dogs. Nothing.
You're a baby.
Yeah.
Sure. Well, we should have took him tonight, right?
No. I don't like the sound of firecrackers, Brandon. Why would I bring them out here with a bunch of firecrackers?
This is what Papa and I used to do, Mom.
Oh, yeah?
Well, when me and Papa used to hold hands and walk.
Oh, yeah?
But see, you're no fun. So. Or we used to hold Papa's hand while he was on that hover around thing.
How could you hold his hand on a hover around, really?
Because Grandma was with us and I was walking and they were on the hover around and I was just like holding the back of the scooter. Yeah. Well, I don't like coming outside.
Okay, it's over.
Yeah, I'm itchy too. I think we should go back inside, you know? You know, Mom?
What?
Inside. The dog's doing this too.
It'll be alright. You just have to get inside.
You know, Mommy, if you ever locked yourself out of the house, Mom, if you forgot the key, there is a way to get in the house.
How is that?
Isn't it the back door?
Yes.
So you started being a protective just like Papa. I'm so proud of you, Mommy.
I always think around. Think about your safety, regardless.
Well, Papa was very protective and sometimes you get on him because do we have to lock it right away?
Right away. But you want to lock down your house. You always think about your personal safety. You'll never trust somebody so much when you think your door is open.
I'm just saying. Because you would always go get on the Papa every day.
In the middle of the day, you wanted to lock everything up. I don't think that it's necessary. But at night, you always lock your house up.
Papa was just very protective. And Papa would always get mad at you. You never locked the door. So Papa got up and did it. He was like, is there any reason why you locked the door? I mean, nothing can take that away. He might have been annoying, but he was still my grandpa, and I still love him.
Right.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
So, since work starts at 9, can we book my ride?
Yes.
So probably around whatever time they come. Like, just to be safe, I'll set my alarm for 6. I mean, I know it's not a reason to get up that early, but still, just to be on the safe side.
Good exercise.
This way, right?
Yes.
All right, y'all, we're home. Hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks show. We gotta go save our children now. Boys, we're home.
I know. Your mother is so scared. I know. I hear. I know.
Are you okay, AJ?
I know. My baby's scared. I know. See, mommy home. Yeah. I know you're scared.
What were you doing under my bed?
It'll be over after a while, okay?
You wanna come hide with me?
Yeah.
Come on, AJ. You don't have to be scared. Okay. Thanks for watching.